Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher Bilal Ahmed, and this is the math, class. This is the summary of today's math class. As you know, today we had Tuesday, okay, and please open the page number 41 where you can find your new lesson, shoe boxes. Okay, today the topic name is shoe boxes. So in this lesson, you are going to learn about how to count in twos and how to count in fives. So in the previous lessons, you already practiced how do we count twos and how do we count in fives. And you well know about how to count in tens. So yesterday we talked about arrays. Okay, we use some trucks to make some arrays. As you know, we have three rows. Okay, one, two, and three. So we have three rows. You can watch the previous video, okay, about arrays. So we have four trucks in each row. Okay, and so we have three row, one, two, and three. Okay, so three rows make 12 trucks. Okay, how many trucks? 12. And when you talk about columns, we have one, two, three, and four columns. So in each column we have three trucks. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3 make 12. Okay. So rows and columns make arrays. Okay. So how many rows in this picture? We have three rows. Okay. Sorry, this is the three rows and four columns equals 12. Okay, so in this way you can understand what are the arrays. I hope you finished the homework about you practice the arrays, how to understand the arrays by rows and columns. So you have to well memorize the how do we count in twos and how do we count in fives. Here is the table. So please memorize this table well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this is the skip counting where you can count by 2. You will jump 2 in each time. And here you will jump, here you will count 5s where you can jump 5 times. Okay, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so here in this way you can learn how do we count 5s. So here you have to jump by 2s and here you have to jump by 5s. Now look at the lesson. So look at your book page 41 where you can find this exercise. How many boxes are there? So when you well memorize how do we count in twos, you can solve this exercise in a minute. Now look how many shoes in each box. Okay, so in each box we have two shoes. So you have to count in twos like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and 50, 52, 54, and 56. It's mean we have 56 shoes in these boxes, and in each box we have one pair, means two shoes. So we count in twos and we count all the shoes by counting in twos, and we know that there are 56 shoes. Okay, Now, if we count in 5, now count each row by 5. Now look at the first column. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 boxes in one column. And look at the second column, 5. We have to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So we count by fives the first 5 lines, and these are not fives, we count them separate one by one. So we have 28 boxes. Now, how many shoes all together? So we count in twos, and there are 56 shoes in the boxes. Okay, so your homework will be the worksheet. Okay, I'm gonna share the worksheet with you. Yes, this is the worksheet where you have to count by two. Okay, you have to well practice about how to count in twos. Like this is the 4, you have to skip the 5, you have to move on 6. Like 4, 5, 6. So you have to write here 6. And please practice the how to count by 5. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck.